Alright guys, so welcome to the unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM6. These are the latest noise cancelling headphones from Sony. So the bottom of the packaging is going to be this open sticker. So let's try and get that out. It's really strong. So I'm not exactly sure what these are, but we put them to the side first. Nothing in there. Documentation. Of course, with a QR code to install the Sound Connect app from Sony. I think I'm just supposed to pull this out like that. Yep. Then you have what I assume is the manual, how to use this. Yeah. And now we have the headphones. All right. They have a nice little packaging case. This is much better than the one we had last time. The one that had a zip. This one has a magnetic latch. Okay, so it's very simple to open and close with this magnetic latch. All right, and then the headphones. So I got mine in black, and I think they look absolutely dope. All right, so there you go. So light as well. And then we have the audio jack. Okay, so audio jack on both sides, so you can use this wired if you wanted to. And also we have a charging cable with a full size USB on one side and Type-C on the other side, and that is it. All right, so that's the case. And to pack these headphones back in the case, just fold them like that, and then they go there like that and like that. Simple as that. Then you have your cables in here. Just like that. And you are good to go. And you can carry your case just like that. So that's the unboxing experience, and that's what comes in the box of the Sony WH-1000XM6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.